Hi everyone, I am Katie the Crafty Blog Stalker, and today we are going to be making a cute little candy cane elf with our Cricut. Now if you're new to my videos, please subscribe and make sure to ring that bell. The supplies we'll need is some scrap paper. I went through my scrap bucket and found some red, brown, white glitter, black, and flesh tone cardstock. Of course, we need candy canes, some fun pom-poms, gift wrapping tape, double-sided adhesive, glue dots, and then, of course, our Cricut and Cricut Design Space. I've got the design all ready to go in Cricut Design Space, and I don't need to change anything. It's sized to fit a standard size candy cane. But if you did want to resize it, just a reminder to make sure and select all of the pieces before you change that size so that all of the pieces change size as well. We are ready to cut it, so I'm going to click on Make It. Here is my mat preview, and if I click up here, it'll show me all 5 of my mats because I'm layering 5 different colors. And it all looks good, so I'm going to click on Continue. Then I'm going to select my material as the cardstock, the medium cardstock. And now let's bring in our Cricut. I'm starting with the flesh colored cardstock. I'm going to load that in, and then I'm just going to follow Cricut Design Space for the prompts of what color to load next. Here are all the paper pieces we cut out with our Cricut, and now I'm going to bring in my double-sided adhesive. And I'm just going to start layering the pieces together and sticking them with that double-sided adhesive. There's our face. And then next comes our hair. And I'm just lining up the hair with the ears. After the hair, we've got the hat. I want to make sure that the hat covers all the hair. I don't want any hair sticking out from beneath the hat. Okay, there is our hat. Next, let's put on this little trim piece, and that just lines up perfectly with the bottom of the hat. And here's his little shirt, and we've got a fun little collar for his shirt. Now if we wanted to, we could use these little circles on the shoe like that, and then there's one for the hat. But instead of using those cute little circles, we are going to use pom-poms because pom-poms are just more fun. So let's get out some pom-poms. I know I want to use the white ones. I just have to get them out. Okay, we'll use the bigger white ones for the shoes. And let's see, do we have one more that size? Nope, and then we're going to use that one for the hat. And I think I'm still going to glue these in place, the paper pieces, just with the double-sided adhesive. And then we'll put the pom-poms on top. Now for the pom-poms, we're going to need our glue dot. I'm just going to open it up and peel back one of those squares. And I'll take the pom-pom and stick it to the glue dot. Push it down good. And then peel it up. And then place that in the center. Oh, look at how cute. Let's do that again for the shoes. Peel up that glue dot. Push on that pom-pom, peel it off, and then plop it where we want it. The pom-poms are fun because they add a little bit more dimension to our to our cute little elf. Plus, they're just cute. So, okay. So now all of our paper pieces are ready. Next, we're going to bring in our candy canes and we're going to tape them together. So we're going to kind of put them each at an angle, about like that. Get a piece of tape. And then turn them over. And secure them together. And that holds them together really pretty well. And now we just begin layering the pieces on our cute little candy canes here. So I'm going to start with the body piece. And I'm going to use glue dot. So I want the glue dot to be right here on the middle where this tape is. So that's where I'm going to put it. And I'm actually going to put 2. That's a little bit bigger of an area. Got our 2 glue dots there. And we want to put this so it looks like the 2 little hooks of the candy cane are the sleeves. So we're going to put it up right like that. And there's his cute little shirt. Oh, you know what? I needed to put his head on first. So we're going to take this off. And let's put on his head first. How about that? Because the head connects to that same part of the shirt as well. There we go. Like that. And I'm going to add another glue dot there since I kind of ruined one of them. Now we're going to put on the elf. So his shoulders are those little hooks of the candy cane. And just push them into place. And then we're going to do our cute little booties and our mittens. So for the shoes, I basically just put the glue dot at the heel. And then just make sure that I'm putting it there on the glue dot. Isn't that so stinking cute? And do the other one. And then our mittens. Because we don't want our elf to get cold. And again, we just want to make sure that we're putting them on the right side. Thumbs go in. And one last one. And of course you could do these any color you want with any scrap, cardstock that you have as well. There's so many possibilities and they are so stinking cute. Ah, look at our cute little elf. Isn't he so cute? Our cute little candy cane elf. And he would be great to give to grandkids, coworkers, friends, neighbors, really anybody as a fun little handmade gift. I want to thank you so much for joining me today. While you're here, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming tutorials. And of course, you can always find me at my home base at thecraftyblogstalker.com, where I have tons of craft tutorials to share with you. Thanks, everybody. Bye, and happy crafting!